Hi, my name is Kevin Zickerman, founder and CEO of MyWiFi Networks, and in this short walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how the MyWiFi dashboard works and how easy it is to launch your own white-labeled social Wi-Fi marketing platform. You'll notice when logging in, first of all, there's no mention of MyWiFi anywhere on the dashboard. We do this by allowing each one of our partners to white label and custom brand the entire dashboard experience. Both the platform and social portal, which is the Captive Portal pop-up domain, can both be custom branded with your own SSL. You can also change your title, your company name, all of the colors, your privacy policy, and more. So really, this acts as your own dashboard with no mention of MyWiFi. So typically, when our clients get started, they start by adding their own locations. So here, I'm going to add a new location. For this case, we'll use the White House. And you'll notice that all of the data has been pre-populated by Google. I don't want to double check that all this info is correct, and then click on Save. The next step is adding my device. Now, we integrate with all of the major hardware providers that include Cisco, Meraki, OpenMesh, and more. You'll notice over here that you simply select your hardware. That includes Aruba, BlueSocket, Cradlepoint, MikroTik, our own proprietary hardware, in addition to a whole bunch of TP-Link devices and other devices that are compatible. So once I choose my device, I name my device. I also add the MAC address, and I choose my location. In this case, we created the White House. I click on Save, and I've now added my hardware to the location. The next step is you want to create an experience for logging in. Now, rather than start from scratch, we have a sales CRM that makes it easy for managed service providers and local agencies to pitch their clients. So here, all you need is a Facebook page. So I'm going to choose White House Demo here. And on preview type, I'm going to choose Facebook page as my source. I simply hop over to Facebook, find my client page, and copy their URL. Then I hop back to our CRM, paste that, and click on Save. Our system will automatically create a Captive Portal login and a sample social Wi-Fi campaign that you can take to sell your clients. Once you run through this entire process, you can literally show your clients in real time how it would be like if their clients connected with social Wi-Fi marketing. Now, all of this was done with no coding at all, actually nothing to create itself. It was all done using our sales CRM tool. Now, once the client was happy with that, you can actually convert this preview into an actual campaign that you can then take to edit for your clients. Once I've converted my campaign, I can hop over to the campaign section and edit it to make any changes I would like in real time. What also makes our system unique is the ability to change anything in your own Captive Portal login with no coding required. You can see all the features are very powerful here. And everything can be powered by your brand, including the logo, the header, the background. You can modify the layout and more. Now, when it comes to login options, you can also add any login option of your choice, rearrange these options, and also choose the specific apps to be used. More on this in a minute. After clients connect to your login page, you can choose a thank you message to show them. That includes an integrated Facebook like box, custom text, your own image, or even your own HTML. Then after guests see your thank you page, they are then redirected to the destination of your choice. In this case, you can send them right back to the Facebook page, choose any URL of your choice, or even redirect them directly to a deep link into the App Store, which will actually open up the app on an Android and iPhone. We also have a built-in integrated ad server, which allows you to show 2 ads on the homepage, 1 post login, which is an interstitial ad, and also 3 ad units on the homepage. Finally, in our Advanced tab, you can choose your own language. We have over 24 different languages that can be changed via this language bar. In addition to adding your own custom terms, deep Facebook integration by simply pasting your Facebook Pixel ID will automatically create a Facebook custom audience from the data that we capture in our dashboard, in addition to all kinds of other code you could add in the dashboard here. Once I'm done making my changes, I click on Save. I hop into my location, and I schedule my campaign. Inside your location section, you can also change all kinds of other details about the device, such as adding presence analytics, changing options, limiting daily sessions, bandwidth per user, and adding your own whitelist and blacklist. In this case, I want to select a campaign, which is the demo I created, and set this as the default. The real power of the platform comes from the data that we capture from real customers. So this is a timeline of customers that are connecting to the system. You'll notice over here that by every single user that connects, we capture a whole bunch of information on them, such as their profile picture, their first name and last name that has been blurred for privacy reasons, their real email address, their gender, their age range, their device, including MAC address, and additional details of where they connected and how long they connected for, and also how much they uploaded and downloaded. If a user ever abuses your system, you can block them in one click. And when it comes to servicing clients, we also have a feature called the Quick Report. Whereas you will share your own report with your client. They'll see real-time data of connected users. They'll see exactly the campaign that's running now. They'll see the device that it's running on. They can also see all contacts that have connected to their location over time. You can filter this by date range and also filter it by connection method, status, devices, operating system, gender, and more. Business owners can see a timeline of users that have connected to their network in real time, in addition to changing settings for their device, such as adjusting session limit, max download and upload, adding a daily bandwidth cap, and turning on their content filter. This quick report dashboard serves as a perfect medium between what your clients should be able to access on your network and what you don't want them to be able to touch. You can create sub-users for your clients and allow them to log in and access or not access certain elements of your platform. Now, after clients connect and you capture all kinds of data, we have an automation tool that allows you to seamlessly integrate with existing CRMs, email providers, and other third-party tools to automate your marketing. Now, the way this works, in most automations, you have a trigger and an action. In this case, the trigger can be when somebody connects to a network, when they disconnect from a Wi-Fi network, when they're inactive, for example, have not been seen in X amount of days, or it is that person's actual birthday. In this case, we're going to try to capture reviews. So we want when somebody disconnects from a network, not in real time, but we want to wait 3 hours until they leave the location, and we only want to do it once on their first visit. Here we'll choose the location to use, and then we'll choose the action to be made. You can have your own custom email sent from your own SMTP server. It's all a WYSIWYG dashboard here where you can add your own title, headline, graphics, and anything. Very easy to create feature-rich emails with no coding required. In addition, you can also send SMS messages after people connect. This is integrated directly with Twilio. You can add to ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, iContact, MailChimp lists. You can also send a webhook, integrate directly with Infusionsoft, Ontraport, and other third-party tools such as Zapier. In this case, you can add to over 1,000 different endpoints. Anytime a user connects to one of your networks, you can run an action of your choice. Once I'm done setting this up, I click on Save, and the automation is automatically running Set and Forget. Now, what also makes our platform unique is the amount of integrations that you can add seamlessly into the dashboard. This means when people connect with Facebook, for example, they're not connecting with some random third-party app. They're actually connecting with your own app that you created directly on Facebook. This goes along with Facebook Messenger, with Twilio, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. All of our social networks allow you to add your own app. In addition to our CRM integrations, we also have many email providers in addition to loyalty programs such as Square. Once I add the integrations in my dashboard, I can allow my clients to use these, and this really serves as a total 100% white label social Wi-Fi solution for your clients. All of the data that you connect on your network is all shared on your own personal dashboard, which shows your top locations, top campaigns, average session times for guests, in addition to all kinds of amazing information such as what domains people use to log in with, gender, male versus female, what the busiest hours of the day are by login type, in addition to specifically the names, emails, and information of all the users that connect to your network. Now, depending on your campaign, you can set up campaigns to achieve multiple objectives. For example, restaurants might want to give people different options to log in with Facebook, email, Twitter, LinkedIn, or just have a password to enable free Wi-Fi. Now, other clients might want to add a payment option. What makes our system unique as well is that we have integrations with Stripe and Authorize.net to provide a seamless and easy-to-use free/paid social Wi-Fi option. So, for example, you can offer at a location 15 minutes free to log in with a passcode or social media. You can also charge for access, capturing the user's email, country, other information that you're looking for, in addition to phone number and their full credit card. This is billed directly with Stripe or Authorize.net using your direct accounts. This works across any type of installation, no matter how many access points you have, whether you're using Cisco, Meraki, Aruba, OpenMesh, or any type of hardware. The system and experience will all be seamless. If you have any questions about the dashboard, we have a full support desk that answers all questions about how to add integrations, how to add your own devices and hardware, create campaigns. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to working with you and help you set up your own white-labeled Wi-Fi marketing dashboard.